Unfortunately, there is no Notepad++ for MacBook. But lucky for you, we've researched and found some best alternatives for Notepad++. Here we go. 1. Brackets. Adobe's Brackets is fantastic alternative to Notepad++ with the added bonus that it is free to use. One of the biggest advantages of using an editor made by Adobe is that you can use a feature named Extract to get different colors, fonts, gradients, and measurements from a PSD document. It will extract the information automatically and turn it into a clean CSS, severely reducing the amount of time it would take to convert a PSD file into a website. 2. Atom. This program was created by GitHub and made for online use. One of Atom's biggest advantages over any other code editor is that it is very hackable. Say the program does something you don't want it to do. No problem, you can adjust that. Users post packages that modify how Atom functions and looks, from history managers to themes. For the most part, the editor can be changed using JavaScript and HTML, so you won't need to know a complex language in order to change it up a bit. 3. Komodo Edit Program. Komodo's Integrated Development Environment, or IDE, is popular among developers. However, not everybody needs a full IDE to use for their own projects or tasks. Komodo Edit provides an alternative for people who don't need such intensive software by including several main features of Komodo IDE, like Markdown viewing and multi-language support. You'll be sure to get all of the important and essential features. 4. JEdit. JEdit describes itself as text editor made for the more mature programmers. This text editor combines a lot of the most popular features that are found on Windows, Linux, and Mac text editors. It has a ton of keyboard shortcuts for almost any function you use, unlimited clipboard space that allows you copy and paste as much you need to. Windows can be split up so you can do more efficient editing, and the rectangular selection tool makes it much easier to select text and does it much quicker. 5. Text Wrangler. A common and standard code editor is BBEdit, but because not everyone will want to spend $50 for a single IDE program, they came up with an alternative, Text Wrangler. Text Wrangler is like a smaller edition of the BBEdit IDE, as it comes with many of the great features that made BBEdit a great program to use to develop code. Some of its most prominent features include a shebang menu made to allow for integrated entree to Unix scripting, the creation of language modules, syntax highlighting, and one that allows for automatic language predicting. 6. Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is Microsoft's free text editor that is actually available on Linux and Mac devices. With features like highlighting for more than 30 languages, multiple cursors to use, an outlining option, automatic real-time API descriptions, git control, and the way it focuses on the more modern web languages, it becomes a great text editor for people who are looking to improve anything online. 7. Sublime Text for $70. The Sublime Text Editor is likely the most well-known simple text editor for Macs. Similar to Notepad++, Sublime Text also offers syntax highlighting, a lot of customizability in the interface, and many fantastic features to be used for editing code. 8. Ultra Edit for $80. Considering that one of the greatest Notepad++ alternatives costs $70, you should feel certain that we included another fantastic but somewhat costly code editor for you here with Ultra Edit. Ultra Edit has tools like multi-select, block/column editing, syntax highlighting for a lot of languages, cross-file regex search, scripting, and can edit lots of text files. This makes this program perfect for the coders who expect a lot from their editing software or will be doing a lot of work on it. This is the maximum load of Notepad++ alternatives according to us. Thanks for watching Digital Inspires.